Everyone, we're going to work on script number 22 today. So it's a script that will find the most recent files. Then it will just confirm that here are the most recent files that were found. So I'm just going to get started with the bash first, and then we'll move on to the Python script next. So we're just going to add set -e just so we don't encounter any errors and the script exits. And then we're just going to put a minimum value. So this tracks the time, like how recent we want. So we're just gonna default it to 60 minutes if no argument is passed. And then we're just gonna use find command. Find find, and then we are going to pass in the root directory, and then we're looking for file, and the minimum is going to be minute is going to be this one, and we'll print then true. So it suppresses the permission errors with this particular, I guess, code here is going to suppress the error, and then we're just going to confirm here echo search completed. So that's it. We might need to put bin find, but we'll check. So chmod and then +x script 22 sh, and let's run this. We have to run this as sudo because we are actually trying to find something in the root directory, so we might need this permission. So we're just going to go sudo bash and then pass this in. Search completed. It's likely because there were no files that were recently created. So let's make it 1 minute. Let's see if that works. Yeah, so it's telling me it cannot find. Let's check which find. It'll give us the executable. Okay, so it's in user bin. So it should be user bin. Now it should work. Let's clear this terminal and then let's try it again. As you can see, it's taking time because it is going through all the directories, and then we'll see a whole bunch because system is probably updating the logs, so we'll see some of the log files, and that also these files that were created. Okay, so it'll take a while. As you can see, it's trying to, see, these are the files that were found. So so that's the script. I just changed this since we didn't create anything for the last 60 minutes, so that's why nothing will probably show up. So let's cancel this, and then we'll work on the Python script next. So we are importing sys and subprocess module, and then we're going to set a variable for minimum time, or mins. Actually, it's not minimum, it's minutes, and then argv taking the argument 1 if it's presented. If not, then we're going to use a default value here. let's do 1 again for now, 1 minute, and then we're going to print something like searching directory. Then we'll run the command, try subprocess.run. Going to put in the find command here. So we're going to direct the errors to dev null. Then check false. Then we'll just print out the error. And if everything is successful, we're just going to print out maybe something like search completed or something like that. So search completed. Let's run this. So it's Python script, so we have to do Python 3. Let's do also sudo. I think there's an error for stder. I think I made a typo here. As you can see, it's the same result here. Okay, thanks for joining. We'll work on script number 23 next.